Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the automated copy formula which is called filter formula. So here I have a 3 sheet which you can see. I have written this all formula and I will share in the description link also. You have to copy and paste. So before paste in your sheet, you will have to apply the few things which I am going to explain you one by one. So this is our main page which is called the active items. Second you can see the expire and third is the expired and cancel. So here I made it the some name, category, status, active date and date. So suppose example that is milk, bread, egg, fruit, whatever you want to put it, you can up to your item and description there. Then category, this is also normal. The main thing we'll have to talk about these three things. So status, active date and expired date. So simply I have applied the formula which you can see the here equal to if f5 means this is the 5 and this is the f which is called expired data. f5 minus today bracket close, then lower bracket 0 comma, then quotation expired, again quotation, then comma. So this is for the expired. The next, if same thing, the formula was just little changing. The minus today bracket close, then minus 30 which is for expired soon. Now you can see here the same, again the alternating the same formula, the cell and column will everything will same. Here we use the upper bracket equal to 30. So you can see this is the on time, quotation on time, then bracket close. There are the 3 bracket, that means how we are applying 1, 2 and 3. This is a bracket actually. So end of the bracket you will have to close. For the color, simply I use condition formatting. You have to go just if you want to apply the new rule, so you can apply, otherwise you have to see here. The formula is very simple, equal D5. If suppose whatever cell detail, you will have to take it. Here I am using the color basically in the only D. So that is why I put it D. Then 5 which is, you can see the row number, equal, again quotation, expire soon. Then I selected the color and then hit enter. There are the same formula I repeat with the color. So this is the formula. So now here you can see, if suppose I will change the date like 25, just I will put it here, is expired. For example, I'm just going to put 9. Now you can see the data on time. If suppose I'm going to put it like is a 707 here, expire soon. So here this is the expired next sheet, which is main formula which we are talking, and this is our topic subject also. So here what I did it, same thing, equal to filter formula which I told you the initially before in the starting in the video. So filter formula, then active item. Active item why we are taking? Because for the status. Then the cell reference A5 to G10. A5 to G10. Simple. You can see this is A, this is 5. Then G and 10. Okay. 10 means I use up to here. So up to whatever you want. Just suppose that your seed data from here you can see this is the normal header which I don't need for formula. So I use here 5 up to 8. Okay. So this cell also. So if here we are adding anything like 9, 10, 11. So the same cell will copied up to the G10 here. You can see is here G10. Okay. So what I did it here, the formula you have to copy here in the first cell. Okay. And then address. When you are copying this formula, so you have to care about this address. This address basically you will have to take from here, because your data is starting from A5 to up to G10, G8, whatever. So I use the G10 actually. So up to your data might be here Q60, Q100, something like that. So whatever you have, just give it the exact. Clear? Then is number. Number means because if you will not give this number, so your formula will show here everything is 0, 0, 0, 0. So that 0 I want to hide, so I used is number. Then active item F5, F10. Okay, F5, F10. For example, now you can see here active item because this is our main thing which is showing here. Okay, so same thing we use here F5 to F10. Clear? So F10, F5 to F10 means like whatever we have data, that address should be in expired formula where you want to copy this data. Then active item F5, F10 today. Why we use the today? Because suppose we are using the date equal to today. You know that this formula, I think equal today. This you know. See, this is the formula. So equal today. So that is why we are using here today, because if the any date is here in this column and we want to show the expiry, so it will compare by this date. Clear? So next we'll go. So now the data will come, and here also we use the color condition formatting. You can see here. Same formatting I used. Equal $sign D5 equal expired. Why I use this $sign? To get the complete raw in red color. If you will not use this $sign, then your raw will not complete highlight by red color. Only will show you this data where you will use this the cell reference. Otherwise, if you want complete data, complete line, then you have to use the $sign. So this is the condition formatting. It's a very simple. So everything is done. The now is the automated formula is done, which you can see this. I explained already. Then we'll go the next page. Next page, what I did it after 40 days. If this data is done in the 40 days after expiry, so it will copy or appear in this. So for this formula, same thing I did it. Only what I use here, you can see this is the -j. -z means I will show you something. Here what I written, this is the 40. Why 40? Because I want to increase the 40 days. So today minus 40 days. Okay. So these 40 days will wait. Then after this data will copied in this sheet. So that is why I use this 40, because the cell reference we require. Here you can use the if you will use only just 5 days, for example. So once this 5 days is done in the expire here, then you will see in here. If suppose you can see, I change the data, now is finished. So I need here only 40 days because I prepare this sheet for 40 days. So what I will do, just I put it, you can see here. So it's very simple formula with the color formatting, with the color automated copy and expire, after expire. So you can use, this is very simple. I hope you guys understand everything. If you have any doubt, you can do the comment. I will try to reply you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And do not forget for subscribe and like.